use your house and car to make extra money. If you would like more videos like this, please like and subscribe and check the links below for more info. Don't forget to check out our other videos on making money from home. Are you looking for ways to make money using your own home? Whether you are a student, stay-at-home mom, or full-time worker, there are plenty of great opportunities that can help you earn extra cash right from the comfort of your living room. Here are just a few easy ways to turn your home into a money-making machine. 1. Rent a room. If you have an extra bedroom in your house, renting it out to short-term guests is a great way to make some extra cash. Whether you choose to offer it on sites like Airbnb or you advertise through word of mouth and social media, having someone rent out one of your rooms can give you some much-needed income each month. 2. Rent a parking spot. If you live in an area with limited public parking options, consider renting out your driveway or assigning parking space to residents who need it. This is a great option for those who don't want to rent out an entire room in their home but still have some unused space they can make money from. You can even use services like Spot Hero to help you get connected with people looking for parking so that you don't have to worry about the logistics of this side hustle yourself. 3. Rent storage space. Do you have a garage or attic that's sitting unused? If so, renting it out as storage space could be a great way to earn some extra cash every month. Whether you offer it to friends and neighbors or advertise online, renting out a few extra square feet of space can help you bring in some much-needed income. 4. Babysit at home. If you love spending time with kids but don't want to commit to being a full-time nanny or daycare provider, consider babysitting for families in your neighborhood instead. This option is great if you live close to local schools, parks, or other areas where parents are looking for short-term childcare options. Simply create an ad on sites like Care.com or City and start getting contacted by interested parents in your area today. 5. Pet sits at home. Another fun way to earn money from your house is by providing pet sitting services for your neighbors. Whether you offer to walk dogs, feed cats, or even take care of birds, fish, and reptiles, there are plenty of pets that need occasional care while their owners are out of town. Get started by talking to your neighbors and letting them know that you're available for short-term pet care if they ever need it. With a little bit of networking and marketing savvy, this side hustle can be a great way to bring in some extra cash every month. 6. Garage sales are a great option if you're looking for ways to make some extra money. Not only do they allow you to declutter your home and get rid of unwanted items, but they also allow you to make some extra cash by selling them to interested buyers. To get started, start by going through your belongings and separating the items you want to sell from the items you want to keep. Once you have everything sorted out, it's time to start advertising your sale. You can use online platforms like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace to reach a large audience, or you can post flyers in your neighborhood to attract local buyers. If you have a lot of items to sell, consider hosting a garage sale over a few days or even a weekend. This will give buyers enough time to browse through your selection and make offers on the items they want. And don't forget, getting items for free from sites like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace can help you save money on supplies for your sale. If you want to make money right from the comfort of your own home, there are plenty of easy ways to get started today. Whether you opt to rent out rooms or space in your house, babysit for local families, or provide pet sitting services, there are plenty of great opportunities that can help you earn some extra cash right from the comfort of your couch. So why wait? Start exploring these ideas today and get ready to start bringing in some extra money. Making money using your car can be a great way to earn extra income while also putting your vehicle to good use. There are many different ways to do this, including driving for ride-sharing services, delivering food or packages, renting out your car, and more. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or start a full-time business with your car, there are plenty of options available that can help you get started. 1. Drive for a ride-sharing service. If you have a car and want to make some extra money, driving for a ride-sharing service is a great option. You can drive for companies like Uber or Lyft, and the hours are flexible so you can work around your other commitments. You'll need to be comfortable talking to people and navigating around town, and you should have a clean driving record. 2. Deliver food or packages with a delivery service. Delivering food or packages with a delivery service can be a great way to make money using your car. You can work for a delivery service like UPS, FedEx, or USPS, or you can work for a food delivery service like DoorDash or Uber Eats. Delivery services typically require you to have a reliable car, a good driving record, and be able to lift heavy items. 3. Rent your car out to others. If you have a spare car that you're not using, consider renting it out to others through a service like Turo or Getaround. This can be a great way to make some extra money, and it's really easy to do. Just create a listing for your car on the website, and then you can start accepting bookings. You'll get paid each time someone rents your car, so it's a great way to make some extra cash while also helping out others. 4. Use your car as a moving truck and transport furniture or other large items. If you have a big car and don't mind helping people move, you can offer your services as a moving truck. You can post ads online or on social media, or you can go door to door and offer your services. Be sure to charge a reasonable rate and pack and protect the furniture well. 5. Wash cars at home or offer detailing services. If you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, washing cars at home or offering detailing services can be a great option. You'll need to have a reliable car and some basic supplies, but if you can provide a high-quality service, you can charge a fair price and make a decent profit. To start washing cars at home, you'll need a few basic supplies, including a bucket, sponge, car wash soap, and towels. You'll also need to find a place to wash cars safely and legally. If you're not comfortable washing cars in your driveway or garage, consider renting a space at a self-service car wash. To start detailing cars, you'll need even more supplies, including an air compressor, buffers, waxes, and polishes. You'll also need to be familiar with the different types of finishes and how to care for them. Detailing services can be time-consuming and require some training, but they can be very lucrative if done correctly. 6. Park your car in a busy area and offer parking services. If you live in a city with limited parking options, you could make some extra money by parking people's cars. Find a busy area with lots of foot traffic and offer to park people's cars for a fee. You could also offer to watch people's cars while they're away, which would require you to keep an eye on the vehicle and move it if there is street cleaning or another event that would require the car to be moved. 7. You can also make some extra money by advertising your car. Services like Rapify, Nicolytics, Carvertise can help you do this, and they'll pay you while driving with the ads on your car. This is a great way to make some extra cash, and it's a great way to promote your business or product.